Huawei was all over the news in 2019 as the company suffered a trade ban from the US government, which subsequently led Google to sever ties with the Chinese tech giant. As a result, new smartphones from the company can't use any Google apps including Play Store, restricting their capabilities and value compared to other phones. Even though the Mate 30 series was a great phone from last year, the phone was mostly overlooked due to the ban. But amidst the ban and worldwide coronavirus outbreak, Huawei is going to launch the P40 series phones on March 26, 2020. Hey everyone, I'm Nick and you're watching Tech Square. Before Huawei launches their P40 Pro, let's see what features and spec it's going to come with. Let's start with the design of the device. The P40 Pro has a metal and glass design with an in-display fingerprint scanner, no H-bezel horizon display, and a pronounced camera module on the back, similar to the Galaxy S20 series. The horizon display on the P40 wraps right over the edge of the phone. The display of the P40 Pro will feature Quad HD Plus OLED display with a size somewhere between 6.5 to 6.7 inches. Exact dimensions are unknown, but it's certainly a large-scale device. Meanwhile, the P40 may feature 6.1 to 6.2 inches OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. Both phones are expected to feature dual punch-hole selfie camera setup without any notch. According to rumors, the P40 is set to feature triple Leica system and the P40 Pro could feature quad Leica system. While there is a rumor about another premium edition of the P40 Pro which is rumored to feature Penta Leica system. The P40 series is expected to feature Sony IMX686 sensor, a brand new 64 megapixel sensor, and a periscope telephoto camera offering up to 10 times zoom. Cameras of the P40 will be based around a 64 megapixel main sensor alongside 20 megapixels ultra-wide and 12 megapixel zoom. While the P40 Pro will add a periscope zoom that will offer 5 times zoom, and the additional camera could be a time-of-flight depth detection camera. Meanwhile, the P40 Pro Premium Edition will feature periscope camera with up to 10 times zoom alongside the ToF depth camera and a possible macro camera. Under the hood, the P40 and P40 Pro will most definitely feature the latest Kirin 990 processor. The phones will most definitely feature 5G network capability and there will be a 4G version available as well. The P40 Pro Premium Edition will feature 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. The other two variants will definitely feature RAMs between 8 to 12GB. As for software, we don't expect the P40 series to come with Google apps and services. The Google ban has been in effect for quite some time now and Huawei has moved forward with its own solutions. Huawei Mobile Services or HMS aims to offer an alternative to Google services by turning to companies like TomTom for mapping. There is also reports that Huawei is in works with Xiaomi, Oppo and Vivo to create an app store that is expected to rival Google's Play Store. This way, Huawei might get to negate the impact of the US trade ban while it can help other Chinese brands to end the reliance on Google. The Huawei P40 series will feature a super-fast wired charging at 50 watts and 27-watt fast wireless charging with reverse wireless charging feature. The P40 Pro Premium Edition is rumored to be powered by a 5500 mAh battery pack, while the P40 and P40 Pro may feature somewhere between 4000 to 5000 mAh battery packs. The phones will feature USB Type-C 3.1 reversible connector while missing the headphone jack. So that's all we know for now on the P40 series phones. The phones will be released through a live event online on March 26th. Hit like if you like the video and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts on the P40 series phones. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and press the bell icon to get notified for our next video.